Hello everyone, today we will see under square root of 27 plus square root of 32 divided by 18. How we can find the solution? So see, solution under root 27 plus under root 32 divided by under root 18 equal to, we can write this under root 27 9 into 3 plus under root 16 into 2 is equal to 32, and we can write 18 9 into 2. Here we can write under root a b equal to a into b equal to under root a into under root b. We can apply here this. Now under root 9 into under root 3 plus under root 16 into under root 2 divided by under root 9 into under root 2. Now here square and square root of 9 is the square of 3 into square root of 3 plus 16 is the square of 4 into under root 2 divided by under root 9 is the square of 3 under root 2. Here square and square root will be removed. Here square and square root will be removed. Here square and square root will be removed. So we get 3 under root 2 plus here 4 under root 2 divided by 3 under root 2. Here under root 3 under root 3 equal to, we get here, we have to take here conjugate of this one. So we can multiply here 3 root 3 plus 4 root 2 divided by 3 root 2 multiply. Here conjugate of 3 root 2 is 3 root 2 divided by 3 root 2. Now multiply this 3. 3 into 3, 9. Under root 3 into under root 2 becomes under root 3 into under root 2 plus 4 into 3, 12. Under root 2 into under root 2 divided by 3 multiply 3 becomes 9. 2 under root 2, 2 multiply 2. So we get here 9 under root 6 plus 12 under root 4. Here 9 under root 4. Now 9 under root 6 plus 12 multiply square root of 4 is 2 divided by 9 square and square root square. Here we get 2 equal to 9 square root of 6 plus 12 multiply 2 becomes 24 divided by 9 to the 18 equal to, here we can separate the denominator 9 under root 6 divided by 18 plus 24 divided by 18. We get 9 1 are 9, 9 2 are 18. Here 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24. So here we get under root 6 by 2 plus 4 by 3. Now here take the LCM 6. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 goes here and 2 goes here. 3 root 6 plus 2 4s are 8. This is the correct answer. Okay. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching the video. If you are new on the channel, so you can subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.